What is Smart Sanitizer Pro? Smart Sanitizer Pro is a device that is designed to keep your cell phone germs and bacteria free. Not only this, you can use this device to disinfect your jewelry or any other tools or gadget that can fit it. The device uses ultraviolet light to clean and disinfect your phone from the germs and bacteria. It takes only 0.6 minutes to complete the disinfection process. Let me tell you one secret that we don't know usually. Studies on the mobile phone shows that it may get dirtier than a public toilet seat. Just think about your daily task. You may go to a grocery shop, think about the doorknobs you open, the subway pools, and every single thing that you have touched. You get contaminated with viruses and bacteria. Do you know where is the last destination of them? Well, it is your mobile phone. Every time you touch your phone, germs and bacteria spread on your phone. The only way to end this never-ending circle is to disinfect your cell phone and clean your hand properly. The device uses ultraviolet light that kills 99.99% of germs and bacteria from your mobile phone, jewelry and other tools and gadgets. Smart Sanitizer Pro and quality features and technical fact. After using the device these days, I have learned a lot of things about it. Now below in this Smart Sanitizer Pro review section, I'm going to share with you some technical facts and features of this device. Uses UV light to disinfect. To disinfect your mobile phone, you can't use any harsh chemicals or liquid. That is how the idea of UV light is generated. The Smart Sanitizer Pro uses ultraviolet light to disinfect the surface of your phone. Sufficient space. The device is big enough to give space to a wide variety of models. Now there might be a question on your mind that is it able to sanitize your phone if you switched your current one? Well, you don't have to worry about this. The device is designed in a way that whatever the size of your phone is, it fits perfectly. I'm confidently saying this because after purchasing this Smart Sanitizer device, I changed my old phone which is bigger than my previous one. But I didn't face any kind of difficulties because of its large size. Non-abrasive. This is the greatest part of this device that I loved most. As the device is non-abrasive, there is no risk to use this device. Even you can sanitize your jewelry as there is no risk of abrasion. Portability. The device is portable and you can carry it easily wherever you go and use it. So it doesn't matter if you travel from one place to another place. You can carry this device with you and disinfect your mobile phone and other gadgets. If I carry my cell phone in one pocket, then I keep the Smart Sanitizer in another pocket. Kill the germs and bacteria within 6 minutes. You'll be glad to know that the device is able to kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria that are covered on the surface of your phone. Just put your phone on the device and activate it, and your job is done. Smart Sanitizer Pro evaluation. Does it work? The working process of Smart Sanitizer Pro is very smart. The device comes with a powerful UVC light that can kill all the germs and bacteria very effectively. The producer claims that it can kill 99.99% of bacteria and germs, which is very impressive. Another satisfactory part of this device is it disinfects your mobile phone and other elements within 6 minutes or less than it, which is highly appreciable. If you don't know how this device actually works, then let me tell you how it actually works. The UV light breaks the DNA formation of the bacteria and germs, and that kills the bacteria instantly. Smart Sanitizer Pro review. How do you use it? Using Smart Sanitizer Pro is very simple and easy. The first thing that you have to do is to attach the power cord of the device to a power outlet. Then click on the power switch of the device to turn it on. Now place your mobile phone inside the device and close the device. The LED light of the device will turn blue as a confirmation of working. Leave it for 6 minutes to complete the disinfection process. Once the process is done, your device is free from viruses and bacteria.